Hello. Look, sinong gising? Wala pa sa mood. Konti. Pero meron na. Hi.
Parang dumami na naman dun, no?
Where? Show them, baby. Show them. Like, you ano lang the camera. Facing it there. Other way. No. There.
Morning hugs.
Morning hugs are the best. Sarap.
Sunrise.
Dami nila dun, no? Sa likod ng fairy chains. Look at them. Come here.
Cappadocia.
Cappadocia.
Sun's about to come out. Well, actually, tagal pa yata. What time does the sun come out?
Hindi ko alam eh. Tagal din bumaba ng sun.
Bagong gising girls.
Hi. Good morning.
Cute the room, no? Well, the auntie room. Here you go.
Say hi.
Hello.
Morning, Liv.
Wala pa siya sa mood. Nakakainis ka. Yes, nag-hot air balloon kami kahapon. It's really nice. Oh, what happened to Liv kanina? Is she okay?
She had a nosebleed.
She had a nosebleed in her bed. Thank you for asking, Daratha. No. Good dinosaur. Yeah, nag-nosebleed siya. So, nagpanic ako. Kasi, as usual, OA ako. But she has always been like that since baby pa siya. And actually, most of your kids, no? Sinong
Yeah.
isa?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's normal. Panic lang ako. Sorry.
You bleeder, you bleed.
Hi. We're here in Cappadocia. There's Olivia. Oh.
Do you remember which one we had yesterday?
That one.
Which one?
No, it's not that Air Cappadocia. It was something else. I forgot na what was our balloon yesterday.
Oh, there's one still going up there in the sun.
Ang taas, no?
Ooh.
Oh, ang dami pa. Good.
Kaki. Papa, sabi ito.
Nakailan rounds?
Lang iya.
Nakailan? Siyempre, nakatatlo. 1, 2, 3,
Ang sama. Natawa ako na hindi ako makasalita.
Look at all the people down there.
Where?
Down there, huh?
Look at them.
Everyone's looking.
Ayan. Cappadocia. Yeah, we're here in Cappadocia. Ayan yung mga balloons. Napakarami. It's 5:50 a.m. here in the morning. Ayan po siya. Yes, wala ako sa gala. Kasi I'm here with my family. Sweet naman ni Olivia sa umaga. Cute nung receptionist kanina. Papunta siya dito. Maglalakad siya dahan-dahan. Hawak niya yung pita, yung pockets niya sa pantalon niya. So, akala ko dala na niya yung matches.
Yung pala kung makambyo.
Kumakambyo lang pala. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, nakasmile pa siya. Sabi niya, I'm just gonna turn off the lights and I don't have anything. And kung grab mo, kakaasar. Kumakambyo, kakainis.
Playing pocket billiards.
Ang sama-sama ang pocket billiards. Aga-aga.
We wrote something ugly.
Yeah, ours wasn't that cute.
Hello from Taiwan.
Maybe that be daddy.
Yes, I have a new project, Be My Frappuccino. Lalang, I missed this year's gala kasi we're going to Tomorrowland. That's the reason. So me and my husband, after here in Cappadocia, we're flying to Amsterdam. And then we're gonna go to Belgium because we're gonna attend the Tomorrowland Festival. My God, grabe ka, Bambi. Lahat ng bucket list ko tapos na. Almost na matapos. Cappadocia, check na sa bucket list. Oh my God, Tomorrowland. So yeah, I'm so excited. So, yun. Pinili ko yung Tomorrowland kaysa gala. And time with my family because I think that's the most important thing. And yes, I have a project coming out soon. It's gonna be with Sofia Pablo and Lauren King, directed by Jerry Sineneng and Jojo Nones. And it's coming out soon. Ang title is Prinsesa ng City Jail. At mapapanood niyo lang yan sa GMA Afternoon Prime soon with Denise Laurel, Dominic Ochoa, at marami pang iba. Yeah, I miss prime time too. Prime time.
Sunrise.
Sunrise. Oh, si Claire. Oh, Claire Fernando. Hi, Claire. Sunrise.
Dito. Oh no.
Ayan na, beautiful sunrise. Very calm voice. Ang daming may gusto sa voice ko, Bambi.
Who, you?
Yeah.
Ano nangyari yun?
Pag ikaw at nagkaroon ako ng Bisaya album na kumakanta ako, ewan ko na lang. Alam mo, yung voice ko, tanggap ko na tong ganito eh.
Ang Halloween.
Kainis ko.
Sunrise, baby.
Grabe naman to si parang ang boring. Bored siguro kayo. Bored daw tayo.
Anong boring yung balloons?
Yeah. Parang ang boring daw na nandito na nanonood tayo ng balloons.
This.
Itis ka naman.
It's only for the photos. Oh no.
Super guwapa. Hi, ganda. Hi, thank you. Nako, wajay. Patay hilamos ani mga inday. Patay toothbrush. Diba? Ay guwapa. Ay, guwapa. Guwapa na sungit. Smile naman dyan.
Son.
Saan na ba? Hello, Zia Breeze. Maoni literal na guwapa. Wow. Hi from Bakayan, Cebu, Jack Massage. Guerrero, hello. Criza Villamor. Emlyn Kopta. Ang ganda dyan. Baka siya po yung boring. Nettie. Mapansin na lang ako. Hi, Nettie. Olivia, Xerox copy daw kita. Ayan. Okay, mamaya na magbasa. Tignan niyo muna. Sunrise. Hello, Dadma Cavite. Gwapa kay mong anak beauty. Thank you. Hello from Japan. Enjoy the moment. Ria Rosie, hello. Hi. Hello from North India, Bukidnon. Bakit?
Grabbing my nipples.
I pinched it.
Ayan, ang dami.
Ganda na.
Oh my god, Dad, I see the balloon now.
Okay.
Sige, show me face, please.
What's with the face, Olivia? Good morning, Olivia. You're so guapa in the morning.
Bagong gising face.
I can't
Hi, guapa.
Hi.
Papa.
Olivia, you're so guapa in the morning. Guapa ni mo, eh.
Hey.
Uy.
Hey.
Olivia, smile. Give me a smile. See? Sige na. Guapa kay ka, oh. Wala na. Nagtatago na. Wala na yung lami. Yeah. Tangos ng ilong mo daw. O sige. Sige na. Oh my God! Wow! Ito na. Oh my God, Baba.
They're gonna hear you make eye test.
Esther, missing you, my ate Christine. Hi, Esther. Ganda. Hello. Hi, Cappadocia. Hello from Negros Oriental, Sambungita, Kate. Hi, Joy from Hawaii.
There's a solar eclipse.
Where? Ayun.
Look.
Oo nga, no? Wow. Baba, can you take photos? So nice. Yes, we are in Turkey, Ms. Rial Aral. You're watching the hot air balloon. Mrs. Lizelan Lopez, kailan po sundan si baby? Wala nang plans.
Tonight.
Tonight ka dyan. Sakit-sakit, ayoko na. Neti, hello. San Pedro, Laguna, Mejes. Shailene. Hi, Shailene. Hugasan mo na lahat na nahugasan. Nakakatawa ka. Ayan, ang napakagandang sunrise dito sa Cappadocia. Kasama ng mga balloons, hot air balloons. What a dream. Yesterday, we were up there. Up there. And now it's nice to see it here. Hello from Imos, Cavite. Hi.
I'm just gonna sprinkle.
No, you too. I sticks too.
Hi, gorgeous Naline. Oh, watch out daw for Turkish scammers. Real Aral. Thank you. Okay lang yan. Pare-pareho lang yan lahat. Kung saan ka man. Hi.
Yeah.
Hello. Okay na ako. Wala na akong machika ba?
Hey, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Morning. Little, say bye-bye. There.
Bye.
Goodbye, everyone. I'm gonna start my day now with real coffee kasi natapon kanina. Thank you for joining us in our live and I'll see you guys soon. Oh, hi, Miss Terry Laurel. Oh, may nakaalala pa kay Terry Laurel.
Wait,
You know, Audrey, Terry Laurel is the favorite character na ginampanan ko ng asawa ko. Diba? That's your most favorite character, baby. Favorite niya si Terry Laurel. Hi, Bianx! Good morning! Look at the balloon. Good morning, Bianca. I miss you. Good morning. I'll see you soon.
Oh my god, it's the thing that you like. I see it from you.
Ayan, dami na.
Ew,
Teka.
something got out on you like that.
Okay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna make... Ito na talaga. Bye-bye na, everybody.